Alright, good afternoon guys, this is John, the genius. So my client called because she bought a new washing machine. So she needed power for it. At first she thought it was a 110 volts or 120, but when I come and check I realized that it was a 220 machine. So therefore I had to improvise. As you can see, this breaker panel is full to the capacity. It's a very small one. So I'll show you what I did for space saver. So I installed this breaker, right? Originally there was these two breakers, two single pole breaker. So I had to install this one, which is a quadruplex breaker. Originally it was linked here, but I think a small thing. This actually, it was like this, and I remove it in order to get it to be two single pole breaker. As I turn off this one, you'll notice that the light will go out because this control the light and this control another single pole circuit. But this over is the one that I did in order to install just this plug for temporary purpose. Right? None of this is really hard, guys, as people make it out to be. When I'm finished, you will understand exactly how to do these things for yourself. Right? I ensure that the circuit is dead, by the way, because safety first. You don't want to be working on a live panel with the risk of being electrocuted. So safety first. And in case you're in like an office or a building that you cannot kill the entire power, ensure to wear a glove that you are insulated or protected from being shocked. In a scenario like this, always remember safety first. So always ensure that you are grounded. Even if it was something temporary, I still ensure that I install my ground wire. So now this is separated, and she has this extension where she can use whenever or wherever she chooses. So this is what the breaker look like. Now I'll install the single pole breakers, which was there in the first place. Again, it is even not even too time consuming or anything like that. Alright, now we should have light again. And now the next breaker, it should control a plug somewhere. And I know this because we usually use the 15 amp circuit for the lighting circuit. And always ensure that these are really tight, because once it's locked, that is hazardous to you. So that's all I have for you today, guys. So one more time, peace out.